Hello, good morning, good people. I'll take you to our cocoa peat, cocoa fiber, and cocoa bristle factory tour. Let's go! This is cocoa peat, and over there is cocoa fiber. This is cocoa fiber. In this section we have cocoa peat block machine. You see that 10 meters rounded long iron? That is dryer machine for cocoa peat. This is how the packing for container is done. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our product, you can visit www.alphacoco.id. See ya!